Who is going to give now? Mohit, are you ready? Okay. Now I am making you as a presenter. Okay, Mohit. Can you tell me about yourself? Yes, yes, you can open your mic also. Okay. Okay, Mohit. Can you now share me your screen?
Sir, is it visible?
Yeah. Just give the access. Okay. Now, first of all, we will go with our first Python round. Okay. So, first of all, can you tell me that what is Python?
So Python is a sorry, Python is a programming language. Uh, so Python is the easiest programming language in the world, and it generally help us to make contact with our PC. Like we can create different AIs with it, and it is very powerful language compared to other language, but which we have to wrote like 5 or 6 lines. We can done that code or that task in single line in Python.
Okay. Great. Now, next question. Can you tell me what are the data types in Python?
Sir, first of all, I will tell you what is data type. Data types are help us to identify what type of data are we handling.
Okay.
Uh, then there are 5 types of data types in Python. There are numerical, int and float, integers, and float. So integer are simple numbers like one, 0 to like um, mm, integer are real numbers, and floats are decimal number, and then there are string. String is a set of characters, and there is another data type called boolean. Boolean refer to true or false or zero or one, and there is another data type which use complex number.
Okay. And last one.
Uh,
Okay, it's a Boolean.
Boolean sang.
Okay, you told me that already Boolean. Okay, then there will be no issue because you have to starting your counting. It's like there is a integer, float,
Float.
string, complex, and
Boolean.
Boolean. Right?
Yes.
These five counts you should know. Then my next question: is it possible that the uh, addition of integer and float?
Yes, sir. It is possible.
Okay. Now my next question: is it possible the addition of integer and string?
Yes, it is possible, but we have to convert our integer into a string and
Okay.
then concatenate it with the two string together.
Okay. Good. Now my next question: what is list in Python?
So list is a one of the data structure in Python. Uh, for uh, for implementing list, we have to use a square bracket, and we can store multiple data of multiple data types in a list, and we can easily remove or add an element from a list.
Okay, great. Now next question. What is tuple in Python?
So tuple is also a data type, data structure in a Python. Uh, Tuple is closely similar to a list, but we cannot add or remove a element from it, and we use round bracket for uh, implementing a tuple.
Okay. Now, can you tell me the difference between list and tuple?
So there is a general difference that is list contain more space in our memory compared to tuple.
Hmm.
Tuple contain less memory, and we can easily add and remove element from a list, but we cannot run with that functions or that like methods and operation on tuple. Uh, and major difference, the visual difference is like square bracket and round bracket.
Okay. It's a parenthesis. Okay. Good. Now we will move to now coding round. Can you please share your screen?
So,
Okay. Is it visible? Okay. Is it visible? But can you open your Jupyter notebook? Okay. First of all, can you create a list that contain variable a from 1 to 5 number?
so,
Okay. Now, first of all, I have to fetch 4 from my variable a.
so,
Okay. Great. Now, I have to fetch data from 1 to 3 numbers.
one, two.
1 number to 3 number. I have to fetch this data.
Yes. So,
Okay. Great. Now, check out your comment box and copy those data sets, variable p. Check out your chat box.
okay, so what I have
Copy
to
this
do?
data set.
So,
Okay. Now you have to print this variable p after gap of 2.
f of two. Okay,
Yes.
so the
Entire data set.
no. Mm,
Okay.
yes, the one index. Well, done. So.
Okay. No issue. Can you reverse this order?
Mm, don't get it. What is the mistake?
There is nothing any mistake. Just you missed the something there. In our seventh number cell.
Okay.
No. Just you know how to use any function. Yes. Run it.
Oh, sorry.
Why is this not showing? Just
Didn't
restart your kernel and again define what is your variable p. No, no. Just execute your yes. Those that cell. Yes. Now you know how to cheat in exam if you have to use any function.
app work now.
That is capital P. You are writing capital P,
Caps
but
lock.
it's small p, I
Yes,
think.
yes, yes.
Yes. Now check what is P.
So done, sir.
Okay. Now this is your P.
Yes, in
How
reverse.
can I sort these values?
Sir, we have to use the sort function.
Okay.
Done, sir.
P is now sorted. Now I have to insert one element between 4 and 6 number. Insert 5 number there between 4 and 6. How can we insert?
We have to apply insert method.
Not square bracket.
So between 4 and 6 now.
Yes, between 4 and 6. Check out your error. What your error is saying that.
True argument expected. Got one. I have to define a index.
No, no. Just you are missing something, one value there in insert. Okay, I will give you another hint. Just you know where you have to insert that value.
Yeah, on the index 2.
Okay, how can you tell that to insert function
Um,
at which location? Just first write your location.
first,
No, not in square bracket. In your function parenthesis.
spotted.
No, just write in openly.
Okay,
Yes. Then
square bracket
no, just comma.
5. Is it correct, sir?
Yes. Now check out B.
Done, sir.
Right? Now I have to remove 16 from my P.
Okay, sir.
You already removed it.
Okay.
Now just check what is P here only. Right?
Yes.
If you are going to remove any value, then that value is not present after you remove, right? So you have to be careful that whenever you are going to use any function once, then
Yes, yes.
it will get your updated version of your variable.
Yes.
That means that 16 is not in your tree now.
Yes.
So remove will not work on 16 because there is 16 is not present,
Yes.
right? Now I have to check the length of my p variable.
Yes.
Okay. Now I have to check the data type of p.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Great. Now copy the comment.
Done, sir.
Now you have to fetch true.
Okay, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. Great. I think you are good on candidate. Now who is next? You can stop your screen.
Okay, sir. So I get bit sloppy in the middle.
Sorry?
I get bit sloppy in the middle. Like I got
No,
one.
no issue because this is your first interview.
Yes.
Jupyter is? Why? Then open in your other browsers. Hello? Now what is it? Jupyter notebook is going here. Okay. Now password or token. What setup of password. Internet token password is will be below. Okay, no issue. You can share your entire screen. Right? Just like you can open your dataset here, otherwise your Jupyter notebook file here, and you can share your entire screen. Okay. Now, Rutuj, are you ready? Okay. Now I am making you as a presenter. Let's start with your introduction, right? Can you tell me about yourself, Rutuja?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. My name is Rutuja Arote, and I'm really happy to be here for this interview. I have recently finished my diploma in computer engineering from Bharati Vidyapit, Pune, and I learned about basic Python programming, and I'm excited to know about possibilities in the world of technology.
Okay, great. Now we are going to start our Python round. Okay. First of all, can you tell me what is Python?
Yes, sir. Sir, Python is a computer programming language. It is used to build websites, softwares, and to automate tasks and for also analyzing the data.
Okay, great. Now, my next question. What are the data types in Python?
Sir, there are five types of data types: integer, float, complex, boolean, and string. Sir, so integer is a complete number. In float, it is identified by the decimal. Complex number means it consists of two values. The first one is the real part, and the second one is the imaginary part. String means, sir, it consists of group of alphabets. And boolean, it represents either the value true or false.
Okay, great. Now, can you tell me what is list in Python?
Yes, sir. List is a inbuilt data structure in Python, and it is identified by square brackets. It is used to store collection of items in it.
Okay, good. Now, can you tell me what is tuple in Python?
So tuple is also inbuilt data structure. It is used to store data in order, and it is immutable. That means adding or removing is not allowed in it.
Okay, great. Now, can you tell me the difference between list and tuple?
List is mutable, sir. Means we can add or remove element in it. And tuple is immutable. That means we cannot add or remove the element in it. List is identified by square brackets, and tuple is identified by parentheses.
Okay, great. Now, can you please share your screen?
Sir, is it visible?
Okay, now open Jupyter Notebook.
Yes, sir.
Create one list containing variable A from 1 to 5. Right?
Yes, sir.
This is list A. Now I have to fetch four number from variable A. Okay, great. Now I have to fetch data from 3 to 5.
3 to 5.
Yes.
Three to
Check
five.
it again from 3 to 5. 3, 4, 5. Check it again. There is nothing any requirement like you have to execute code in your first round or first execution. You can take any action. You know that trick. You can move to select entire data from specific point. Just slice it from which point to which point you want data set, which index to which index, right?
Yes.
This is simple. Now you have to add new element in your variable A. That element is 6. Okay. Now you have to remove 4 from your variable A. Okay. Now, so we can remove our last element.
So by using pop function.
Okay, great. Now I have to check the length of my variable A. Okay. And what is the data type of A? Okay. Now I have to add new element between 2 to 3.
Hmm.
Between 2 and 3.
Hmm.
That new element is 10. Okay, great. Now open your chat box and copy B data. Now you have to fetch 7.5. Okay. Now uh, I'm going to use one data set. This is a little bit tricky question. Now, can you convert this data set into set B? Just try from your side. First of all, define what is B. Yes, execute it. Now, we have to change this data into set. Little bit error. Just use set function. How to use set function and which data set to convert in set. Write data set in set inside parenthesis. Inside parenthesis. First of all, no. You can do like that, but first of all, you have to use only set function. Just
Only
set
set.
function. And which data set you want to convert in set? Yes, execute. Now tell me what is the difference between original D and this set D
It is converted into set.
and another.
Curly braces.
Okay, then what is the difference between them? What set did there?
Uh, Repeated count.
Remove duplicate element,
Yes.
right? This is the specification of your set, right? Uh, I think you are good. I'm done from my side. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Now, Rajat, are you ready? Now, can you give introduction?
Good morning, I am Sachin Kodake. I am from Bandara. I passed my graduation in mechanical engineering at Rashtrakuta Tukolji Maharaj, Nagpur. I learned about machines, how to work machines like lift machine, CNC machine is also. And my internship is completed in Ashok Leyland company and work on how to create a gate shaft. And I learned in currently Python and I entered in Data Council Institute.
Okay. You have to prepare your introduction, right, Rajat?
Yes,
Okay. Now, we are going to start Python round. Can you tell me what is Python?
Python is a and it is also used in web development, data science, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and all.
Okay. Now, my next question. What are the data types in Python?
The data type is a integer that that known as string.
No issue, you can tell.
There are five types.
Okay. There is nothing in requirement like you have to tell the sum of numbers. You can start by telling the data names, data type. Sorry, mapping. Okay. Now, next, you know what is tuple in Python?
Remove, add, and it is a like memory as compared to
Okay. Now, can you tell me what is list in Python?
list is a defined block bracket. It has immutable. It can change, remove, add. It has more memory.
Okay. Can you please share your screen? Okay. Now open your Jupyter notebook. Okay. Open any notebook file. Okay, Rajat. I have another question for you. Can you take user input in a certain data uh, set, otherwise in a certain variable, such like a? Okay, take it in any data type. No, 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 no. I'm not going to tell you that. Telling that you have to create list. You have to take user input. How can you take it? User input. That means if you are creating one application and for this application you need dataset from your customer. You know your first class, how you worked on input.
But next,
Yes, anything.
yes,
Now
no,
execute it. Just simple A. Now check what is A. No, no. Okay, Rajat. Can you tell me what is the inbuilt data type of input?
string,
Okay, how can we check it?
because student,
No, no, how can we check it?
I enter A,
Not change it. How can we check it the data type of variable A? How to check data type of A? Variable A.
in input, I type,
No, no, no. My simple question is there. Now I have to check what is the data type of A. So how can we check it? No, no. In this format, I have to write code for it to checking my data set. Which type of data set is there? Now I have to check it. How can we check it? Yes, simple. And by default data set of input is yes. Now I have to take integer input from user.
the number,
No, you are creating tuple, but I don't want tuple. I have to take input from user, and that is integer input. You know how to take it? Yes, then what inside int?
inside written numbers,
Not directly number.
not directly number.
You have to get it from your customers, otherwise user input. So how we take input? Now you simply know how to take input there, right? Now I have to specific take input that is integer. So I will write my input inside
Number, number,
inside integer. Yes, inside function. So write their input directly, not input. You have to take it input. So for if you have to take input, yes. Now you can write anything inside that. No, no, no. You are directly giving them input. There you can write any comment. Yes. There is nothing any restriction like you have to write anything inside your input. You can fill it by nothing. No, no, Rajat. You are doing wrong. There just you have to write enter input message in any single or double. There is nothing any restriction. You are just showing a message inside your input. No, why there is comma? Rajat, there is simple. You have to write input. You did practice of your first class? No, then just execute it now. Now check what is B. simple. Now, if what if I have to write message if I am taking any input? So you have to write message inside your input function in single or double quotes. Write it down. Enter a number. No, no, Rajat. You are writing in a parenthesis. I have to take integer input. Yes. Now I have to write message for it. Now write message there. Anything you can write there. Enter a number. Enter a integer number. Anything you can write there. Now execute it. Now you know the difference between taking how to take a normal input, how to take integer input, right? You have to prepare for your first class. You have to do revision of your first class. Okay. Now, Rajat, you have to create one list from 1 to 5. Now, tell me what is the data type of D? Check it. Now I have to fetch 5 number. Fetch. Just single number 5. What you are doing mistake there? List index out of range. That means you are writing wrong number. Right? Right? Now I have to fetch elements from 1 to 3. Okay. Now what I have to do? I have to uh, fetch elements from first to end by gap of 2. Yes. What is the formula of fetching? What is first? What is second element? What is third type? What is second? Sorry? Okay. Why there is one? Okay. Now, Rajat, copy the dataset from comment box D. Now paste it in your Jupyter notebook. Okay. Now convert it in a set. Okay. Now can we add element in our D, in a D, new D, new variable D? Check out what is now D here. Okay, add element inside D. Is it possible? How it is possible? Now tell me what is the data type of D? D. No, you haven't said that. That is set D, right? Tuple. Can we add elements in our tuple? No, right? So you have to prepare your introduction part and do the all class revision from start to end. I don't think so. It will take only one day, right, Rajat? Okay, you can stop your sharing screen.